Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to import existing MyEther wallet. If you've recently changed your device or if you've recently logged out of your wallet for MyEther, or if you've recently deleted your wallet for MyEther wallet and you'd like to recover it back again, then the process is quite easy. Before beginning, you will first need your backup for your MyEther wallet. Make sure that you have your previously backed up seed phrases. And once you have it, you can tap open MyEther wallet application. From the main homepage of MyEther wallet, tap on import existing wallet option. Tap on restore with recovery phrase option at the top and tap on continue. Make sure to write down your recovery phrases. After typing down the recovery phrases in the correct order, click on restore at the top right. And then you will now need to create a PIN for your wallet. Go ahead and enter a PIN code and type in the PIN code once again on the next page. You can also enable Face ID or biometrics to protect your account. And after waiting for a couple of seconds, you will then be able to import your existing MyEther wallet. And that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.